So on behalf of the Bishop and Gospel Ministers Association of Nigeria, we extend our prestigious award of excellence in outstanding leadership, in philanthropic exercise and activities in your capacity. And you are a defender of Christian faith worldwide and globally. That is why we give you this award today for extraordinary capacity and ability, intercontinentally doing great things globally, what no man and other people could not do. We give it to you, presented to Prophet Dr. ohanemere, Odumeje, the lion himself. Raise it up.
Akavio.
And that's what I am. I'm a war, I'm a fight, I'm a battle, I'm a finisher. And I'm the liquid metal. And I'm in the whiskey. 2025, the lion himself, he led it to close 2025 and begin 2026 with a lot of new powers. And don't forget, there's a many power that I have never used. Let me hear you shout, the lion himself. Thank you very much, all the bishops. Thank you so much. Thank you very much. Thank you.